Hello, Indicator here. Here I am continuing part 2 of the lab for this week, and so I've already cleaned my area with 10% bleach. I've already mixed my yeast. It's been sitting for a little over 10 minutes with the warm water. I've already prepared my agar plates. I have labeled my tubes. I put them in this cup because they're too big to fit in my rack, so I'm just using a cup. And I have my pipettes. I've already sterilized it with the alcohol, and here I'm holding the test tube with the label 10-1. So what I'm going to do, and each tube already has 2.25 ml of distilled water. My distilled water is right here, this way. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer 0.25 ml of the yeast solution into the first test tube, and I'm going to draw 0.25 ml of this solution and transfer it into each one of the tubes, or from one tube to the next And then I'm going to transfer 4 drops to my prepared agar agar plate. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and get 0.25 ml here. So actually distribute the contents. Okay. And I am to mix this up and down to make sure that all the contents are mixed in there. Okay, so I'm going to get 0.25 from here and transfer it to number 2. This is number 2. I'm going to set this one down. I'm going to turn these over so I can see the numbers. This is number 2. I'm just going to mix the mixture here. I'm going to get 0.25 from here and transfer it over to 3. Gonna mix these. Grab 0.25 from here. Transfer it to 4. Doesn't look like anything went in there anymore. Grab 25 more into 5. .25 into 6. Okay. I'm going to place my pipette into my alcohol. At least 20 seconds. I'm going to set this aside, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my, or not open, but set up my agar plate, agar. Okay, So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 4 drops of each of these here and of each solution and put them into their corresponding plate. So .0125 ml says that it should be about 4 drops. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Put it back in 1. And this is 1. I'm going to mix it around. Seems to be fine. Okay. I'm going to grab 2. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back into 2. Grab 3. One, two, three, 4. Grabbing 4. One, 2, 3, 4. That goes pretty fast. Shake it around to make sure it's all distributed. And 6. Oops. That was 6, so I'm going to put it into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsie. I skipped 5. So this is 5. Probably gonna mess up this experiment there, but that's what happened. Okay. And that's it. So I have all my agar plates here, and I'm going to go ahead and put them in my drawer, my designated drawer, for 12 hours. And then in 12 hours, I'm going to go ahead and flip them over, invert them. So the cap will be side down, and that agar will be side up. Okay? Alright, thanks.